I'm here with another video, and this time we are going to be playing Subway Surfers. It's actually a really fun game, and it's, I don't know, I've played this game like I don't know how many times, but to me it's just a really fun game. And like you can have different characters on it, and you just literally like try to run from that cop, and you try to run from the cop, and see how long you can last. But you can collect stuff. You collect coins and little rocket stuff that can keep you up in the air, and there's like different things you can, and then you can be on trains. You can go on to trains like this. You can just have to know how to jump. You have to jump at the right time on the train. But you can ride on a train like this and just be jumping up on them and be getting whatever is on top of them, which is usually coins. And I did. And you can use keys to save you and stuff, and show you the different characters. Oh, hold on. Another to the top run. I want to go under me, and I can see all the characters. Like there's this one that I'm working for right now, Tricky, and you have to find 3 hats in the mystery box. You can get mystery boxes, and they'll give you like coins and keys, and they'll give you the hat for Tricky, and then they'll give you radios for Fresh, and they'll give you guitars for Spike, and they do different things. But I'm trying to get Tricky or this girl right here. Hold on. Or no, not her. This one, Lucy, which I can get Lucy. So now I'm selected under Lucy, and like you collect rewards, and that's how I got keys. And there's boards on here, like you have different boards. Right now I have that one, but there's different ones you can get, like the shark one, the great white one, Daredevil, Starboard, and different ones. I personally want this lame one, Skull Fire, because I like the fire on it and the black. But this is just a really fun game, and you can get a lot of coins on here if you don't die. And it's like, I don't know how to describe it. It's a really fun game, and you collect letters on here too. You can get different little things. Like I just had the star one, and then you can get a magnet, and then you can get this boot one that when the train is moving towards you, you can just jump on it instead of having to move. You can just jump on it. And I got a letter, and you just can do different things. Like, you can collect different things. I mean, it's really cool. I like it a lot. I think my top run, well, right now it shows my top run, but I think one time when I was doing it, I got up, I think, 1,000 or something like that. Yeah, that's my highest score there. So I've got to 100, actually 14,415, and then the top run here would be par, because he or she's really, really far. I wish I was that far, but I'm not. Oh, and now on this one you can collect flowers. I don't know what happens if you get all of them, because I haven't got to get all of them yet. So right now we have to collect 10, but I didn't collect any, because I haven't seen any flowers. Got a letter. And it's literally like, I don't know, this is one of the bestest games I play. To me, it's one of the best games ever. I love this game. But I could just be saying stuff because I like a lot of things. Like, there was a flower, but I just missed it. But there's the magnet to where you collect all the coins. I like getting the magnets because I don't have to be right there to collect the coins. And I ran out of time for my magnet. But it's really cool. Oh, I can save myself. I'm bored. Alright. Oh, and I got a mystery box. And I got 2 other cards. Back. So we can play the game. And I've collected 1 out of 10 of the flowers. And we're gonna end this video right here. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and like and subscribe. Bye.